Bacon mistakes that harm your health. Common bacon preparation errors increase health risks significantly. 6 months ago, I discovered I was making dangerous mistakes with bacon that many people don't realize. After experiencing digestive issues, I researched proper bacon handling and cooking methods. The World Health Organization classifies processed meats as Group 1 carcinogens, but preparation methods can reduce or increase these risks. What surprised me most? 7 critical errors that transform an occasional treat into a serious health hazard. Here's what I learned about bacon mistakes that damage your health. First mistake: cooking bacon at extremely high temperatures creates harmful compounds. Temperatures above 400 degrees Fahrenheit form advanced glycation end products and heterocyclic amines. These compounds are linked to increased cancer risk, according to the National Cancer Institute. Cooking bacon slowly at medium heat reduces harmful compound formation while ensuring proper cooking. Second error: not removing excess grease allows oxidized fats to accumulate. When bacon grease sits in the pan, it continues heating and oxidizing, creating toxic aldehydes. These compounds contribute to inflammation and cardiovascular disease. Draining bacon on paper towels and discarding excess grease prevents consumption of these harmful oxidized fats. Third blunder: eating bacon with nitrate-rich vegetables multiplies nitrosamine formation. Combining processed meats with spinach, celery, or beets creates conditions for nitrosamine production in your stomach. These compounds are potent carcinogens that increase cancer risk. Avoid eating bacon alongside high-nitrate vegetables in the same meal. Fourth mistake: storing open bacon packages improperly accelerates bacterial growth. Leaving bacon in original packaging after opening exposes it to air and contaminants. Improper storage can lead to listeria or salmonella contamination. Transfer open bacon to airtight containers and use within 1 week for safety. Fifth error: not checking internal temperature allows harmful bacteria to survive. Undercooked bacon may contain trichinella parasites and salmonella bacteria. Bacon should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature to eliminate pathogens. Using a meat thermometer ensures safe cooking temperatures are achieved. Sixth blunder: consuming bacon daily overwhelms your body's detoxification systems. Regular processed meat consumption increases colorectal cancer risk by 18%, according to American Cancer Society data. Your liver struggles to process daily loads of preservatives and additives. Limiting bacon to occasional consumption allows your body to handle these compounds effectively. Seventh mistake: choosing bacon with excessive additives multiplies health risks. Many commercial bacons contain sodium nitrite, but, and artificial flavors that accumulate in your system. These preservatives are linked to headaches, nausea, and long-term health problems. Reading ingredient labels helps identify cleaner bacon options with fewer harmful additives. Here's how I modified my bacon habits. I switched to uncured bacon, with no added nitrites, cooked it slowly at medium heat, and limited consumption to once weekly. I also started pairing bacon with antioxidant-rich foods, like berries, to help neutralize harmful compounds. Important considerations: completely avoiding processed meats is the healthiest choice, but if you choose to eat bacon, these precautions reduce risks significantly. Individual tolerance varies based on genetics and overall health status. Preparation timing matters. Cooking bacon fresh rather than reheating reduces exposure to additional harmful compounds. Reheating bacon creates more oxidized fats and concentrates preservatives. Fresh cooking provides better flavor and reduced health risks. Portion control remains critical even with safer preparation methods. The American Heart Association recommends limiting processed meat to less than 2 servings per week. Smaller portions allow you to enjoy bacon occasionally without overwhelming your system. Always consult healthcare providers if you have cardiovascular disease, diabetes, or digestive conditions that may be affected by processed meat consumption. Some medications may interact with preservatives in bacon. Quality matters significantly. Choosing bacon from pasture-raised pigs without antibiotics reduces exposure to additional chemicals. Organic options often contain fewer preservatives and additives than conventional varieties. Track your digestive comfort, energy levels, and overall well-being when you consume bacon. Some people experience immediate reactions to preservatives, while others develop sensitivities over time.